Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix your Nikon Z camera if the battery runs down too quickly. So first you need to check your battery age. To view the battery age, press the menu button, then select the battery info in the setup menu. Batteries that have been used for many years may hold less charge than when new. When the battery's age reaches 4, the battery has reached the end of its charging life and should be replaced. Make sure you have a genuine Nikon battery. Check that if the Wi-Fi is off and whether a camera is paired with another device via Bluetooth. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth increase the drain on battery. They can be turned off or disabled as necessary. A Wi-Fi icon appears in the shooting display. To turn off the Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi connection in the menu and press OK when the close Wi-Fi connection prompt is displayed. To disable Bluetooth, press menu and select Disable for connection to smart devices, pairing Bluetooth connection in the setup menu. To reduce the drain on battery, keep the built-in flash lowered when not in use. To lower the flash, press the button down until it clicks into place. Check the operation environment. The performance of the battery and the length of time it can be used may drop at low temperatures. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and give a like to this video.